So, welcome to the Ferrari 330 P4 around Goodwood, fitting place for it, obviously Festival of Speed and the Revival. Mainly the Revival, obviously, for the circuit part. We're going to go all the way out to the curb, staying on the right hand side as though we're coming into the pits to let the revs build up with a nice straight wheel. And we're just going to lift on the entry, onto the brakes into third, get that front nose in, then start to pick on the throttle. Build up on the throttle, and then into fourth, once you know that you can make it down that main straight. We're going to clip fifth just before this next right-hander, then get it in, just about flat out. Whoa, two wheels on the grass, and then make sure you can get in nice and early into this first part of the chicane, and then that will set you up nicely for the exit, which is downhill off camber, up into fourth, but then quite quickly in these classics back on the brakes to get the front nose in. I've just held on to a bit of grip there out towards the exit. You'll just miss that second exit curb. So I get back on the throttle. Short shifted to fourth a bit early there, which is why we're losing a little bit down the straight here. Up into fifth. Then you'll see the runoff here on the left, and that's your signal to get on the brakes. Then I'm going to bleed off the brakes almost instantly then. So then carry that speed through. Into third, leave it on the limiter, down to second. Miss the walls. Hold on to it as you come out, as I've lost a bit there. Coming through the exit down the pit straight, but you get the idea of the line. So this is deceiving Goodwood here, because it makes you want to go over to the left hand side when actually you want to tuck it in early because of the camber of the track. Short shift to fourth to keep the car as much in a straight line as I can without using too much grass. You want to do that in these expensive things in real life. Again, just down to the white line, don't take it off. On the brakes, fourth. Use the top of that curb, back over to the escape road, brake down to third, grab that curb if you can, let it slide, feed the throttle in, out towards the white line, grab fourth, instantly back onto the brakes, third, second, grab that curb, squeeze the throttle, like you've got a lemon on the throttle making lemonade, then into fourth. Got to gain all the way down the straight there, so I braked a little bit cautiously on the entry, mainly just so I could show you guys the line, because this Ferrari likes to move about. Looking for that escape road, there it is, on the brakes. Now bleeding off the brakes all the way and all the way in, grabbing seconds, turn the car back onto the power, hold on to it. She's a fighter, into third, grab second, back through, hold on to it as you get on the power again. It's all about that straight line on the exit, don't turn back over to the left too soon, and across the line again.